Hey guys, let's check out this brand new ceiling fan with lights that I received for repaint purposes. It comes really well protected, each of the pieces with foam, which I think that it's great, and it's a flush mount ceiling fan, which I think that it's gonna be really nice and a really easy installation. Okay, this is the main body. Okay, we got some double-sided fan blades, which I think that it's nice. That way you can set them up depending on how you want them. All the hardware that we're gonna need to do this installation process, the proper receiver with the remote control. And something that I think that is great is that you can also control it with a remote application in your cell phone, which I think that it's nice. If we got the LED light, and if we got the pieces that we're gonna need to install the fan blades, which I think that it's nice. As I've said, it seems like a simple installation that shouldn't take that much long, which I think that it's great. We got another one of pieces of the fan blade. So let's go ahead and start assembling it, and let's see how it looks and how it works. Come on. Okay guys, the proper installation process is actually really simple as the instructions are really clear, and what I think that it's great about this ceiling fan is that it has some adjustable lighting, and that way you can customize the brightness to suit different scenarios, and you can also adjust the temperature if you want it a little bit more warm or colder. You can adjust it depending on your needs, and it even has a memory function, so you need to choose the light brightness and temperature, and then you can turn off the light, and when you turn it on once again it will be on the same temperature and brightness that you set it up. It has a reversible DC motor, and that way you can have a strong wind with a rapid cooling in the summer and a balanced indoor heating and cooling in the winter, which I think that is nice. As I've said, it has 6 different speed settings that cover all your wind necessities. The first 2 levels are for a long comfortable wind. The third and fourth level are for a moderate natural wind, and the fifth and sixth level are for a high cooling wind, which I think that it's really nice. And it's actually super quiet. It doesn't make that much long, and it runs around 20 decibels, which I think that it's really nice. The fan blades, as I've said, it comes in 2 different colors, and that way you can choose the right color according to the style of your home or where you want to place it, as it is suitable for farmhouse, living rooms, bedrooms, or other small indoor spaces. And besides, this is also a outdoor ceiling fan for any kind of patio, gazebos, and any other kind of outdoor spaces without being exposed directly to rain. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it looks amazing. With the remote control, we can select all the different adjustments that we can do. Turn it on, off, select the different speeds. We get 6 different speeds. We can just set forward or reverse depending on the time of the year. We can change up the light, and I think that it's going to be really nice to place it wherever you need it. Your living room, bedroom, dining room, wherever you need it. As I've said, you can customize the scenes, so you can give a different mood in each space that you want to use it. You can also set it up for a timer up to 4 hours with the remote control, but in the application you get also all the different adjustments that you can do, from the fan blades. If you want natural light, you want it to go forward, reverse, also adjusting all the light measurements, which I think that it's nice, the brightness and everything. And you can also set up night mode for a natural light and everything else that we can do with the remote control without having to depend on it constantly. And in case if we lost it or it runs out of batteries, we can still be able to make all the adjustments that we need to our ceiling fan. And also with the timer, we can set it up for up to 8 hours with the application, which I think that it's great. Overall, I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it was a really easy installation that didn't take that much long, and I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.